Hello students, now we are discussing about degree final year BSc final year chemistry. Fifth semester. Fifth semester. Fifth paper. Syllabus. There are 4 units. Number 1, inorganic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry, only one lesson, that is coordination compounds. Coordination compounds 2. Coordination compounds 1 in second year. Now coordination compounds 2 in fifth semester. Then second one, application of coordination compounds. Application of coordination compounds. There are 2 lessons in inorganic chemistry. Then second one, organic chemistry. In organic chemistry, lesson number 1, amines, cyanides and isocyanides. These 3 topics are in one lesson. Then second one, this one is first one. Second one, heterocyclic compounds. So there are 4 units in organic. First one is inorganic chemistry, unit number 1. Inorganic chemistry, there are 2 lessons, coordination compounds 2, then application of coordination compounds. Then unit number 2, organic chemistry, there are 2 lessons, here also 2 lessons. Number 1, first lesson, amines, cyanides, isocyanides. Then second one is heterocyclic compounds. The third unit goes to unit number 3. Physical chemistry. Only single lesson in physical chemistry, chemical kinetics. Only single lesson in physical chemistry. Last one is unit number 4, spectroscopy. There are some type of spectra like IR, UV, rotational, like this. Next, photochemistry also. This is the syllabus. Once again I repeat, number 1 inorganic, unit number 2 organic, unit number 3 physical, then unit number 4 spectroscopy, unit number 1 inorganic chemistry. In inorganic chemistry only 2 lessons are there. Coordination compounds 2, coordination compounds 1 in second year lessons, the coordination compounds 2 in 5th semester, application of coordination compounds. Then unit number 2 organic chemistry. What is organic chemistry? There are 5 different types of lessons: amines, cyanides, isocyanates and heterocyclic compounds. Then unit number 3 physical chemistry. In physical chemistry only single lesson is there, that is chemical kinetics. Last one is spectra. There are some types of spectra: IR, UV, visible and rotational spectra. And other lesson is photochemistry. Now we are discussing about unit number 1. Unit number 1. Unit number 1 inorganic chemistry, that is coordination compounds. Coordination compounds 2. First of all, what are coordination compounds? What are coordination compounds? The interaction between a metal and different types of ligands. The interaction between metal and ligands. Simply, the metal is surrounded by only 4 ligands. Only 4 ligands. This is the tetrahedral coordination compound. In case of the metal is surrounded by 6 different types of ligands. 6 different types of ligands. This one is octahedral coordination compound. In octahedral coordination compound, the metal is surrounded by 6 ligands. So the coordination number is 6. In case of the metal is surrounded by 4 ligands, the coordination number is 4. Here, coordination number 6. In case the metal is surrounded by number of ligands 5. Coordination number 5. This one is square pyramidal coordination compound. Mostly important coordination number and 4 and coordination number 6. First of all, what is metal and what is ligand? What is metal and what is ligand? The metal in between ligands, different types of ligands. Here 6 ligands, the arrow mark. The symbol signifies one lone pair of electron from ligands to metal. The metal one lone pair of electron from ligands to giving metal. Metal requires one empty orbital. Ligand requires one lone pair of electron. The symbol signifies coordinate covalent bond. Coordinate covalent bond. Metal ligands to metal. Ligands has one lone pair of electron. Metal has one empty orbital. Yeah, number of ligands. The metal is surrounded by number of ligands, 6 ligands. So the metal has 6 empty orbitals like this. Every empty orbital occupies one lone pair of electron from different ligands. This is the metal and ligand interaction. Now we are discussing about CFT, crystal field theory, most important one. CFT, crystal field theory. What is crystal field theory? What is crystal field theory? What is about crystal field theory? The metal has 5 degenerate orbitals. 5 degenerate orbitals of d orbitals. Degenerate orbitals naming dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square, then dz square. Symbols. Just a minute. dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square, and dz square. Five different types of d orbitals. These 3 types of different type of orbitals in between the axis y, x, in between the axis. These 3 types of orbitals. Here along the axis. This one is along the axis. 2 different types of orbitals. In between the axis and along the axis. Now we are going to crystal field theory. 5 different types of d orbitals. Here all orbitals are degenerate. All orbitals are degenerate. Degenerate orbitals means step 1 here. This one is step 1. Degenerate orbitals means equal energy. Equal energy orbitals xy, yz, zx, x square minus y square, and z square. Here is step 1. All orbitals are equal energy, has equal energy. So degenerate orbitals. Metal d orbitals. These 5 orbitals are metal d orbitals. Now 5 different 5 or 6 or 4 different types of ligands approach to metal. Metal nature, it occupies the number of lone pair of electrons. Ligands nature, giving the lone pair of electrons. So the ligand approaches to metal d orbital without ligand or degenerate orbitals. The ligands are moved to degenerate orbitals. All degenerate orbitals are go to excited state. This one is step 2. Here also x, y, z, zx, x square minus y square and z square. Ligands approaches to metal d orbitals, then metal go to excited state because of different types of repulsions in between the orbitals. So go to excited state. Now, due to the repulsions, these five types of orbitals has split into two set of orbitals. There are three orbitals at one set of orbital and two orbitals are one set of. These two orbitals, x square minus y square and z square. Here x y, y z and zx. Ligands approaches to metal d orbitals. Ligands approaches to metal d orbital. Without ligands, all are degenerate orbitals. So ligands approaches to metal degenerate d orbitals. It goes to excited state. Then repulsions in between these type of orbitals go to higher energy level and lower energy level. These five orbitals are split into two set of orbitals like x square minus y square and z square. Here x y, y z and zx. These three orbitals are considered called 2T2G set of orbitals. This one is EG set of orbitals. The energy gap. Yeah. The energy gap in between the higher energy level orbitals and lower energy level orbitals called CFSE, means crystal field stabilization energy. CFSE, crystal field stabilization energy, here plus 0.6 delta, here minus 0.4 delta ohms or top right. This is the crystal field theory. Once again I repeat. What are coordination compounds? The interaction between a metal and ligands. Number of coordination compounds are formed between ligands and d orbitals. D orbitals are 5 d orbitals, x dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square and dz square. All are degenerate orbitals. Degenerate orbitals means equal energy orbitals. The ligands approaches to metal d orbitals. The ligands approaches to metal d orbitals. These d orbitals goes to excited state. Now these 5 orbitals, in between the 5 orbitals, repulsions are formed. Due to the repulsions in between the 5 orbitals, split into two set of orbitals. They are EG set of orbital and T2G set of orbital. EG set of orbitals has higher energy. T2G set of orbitals has lower energy. In each set of orbitals, two orbitals only, x square minus y square and z square. In T2G set of orbitals, 3 xy, yz and zx. In between the EG set of orbitals, T2G set of orbitals, the energy in between these two plus 0.6 and minus 0. Delta means of atomic. The difference between EG set of orbitals and T2G set of orbitals are called as CFSE. CFSE means crystal field stabilization energy. More crystal field stabilization, more CFSE value unna coordination compound, more stability. This is the simple introduction of CFT, crystal field theory. Just a minute. There are 3 steps: step 1, step 2 and step. This is the simple introduction of degree final year, BSc final year, 5th semester, 5th paper, coordination. The first lesson is coordination compounds. Thank you.